Today, we're making wontons, shrimp and chive, and a classic pork filling. By the end, we'll make 64 wontons. Wontons are a staple food for anyone that loves a juicy, flavor-packed meal. Today, we're making two different types of wontons that you will absolutely fall in love with. They freeze well or enjoy them fresh, so let's get cooking. For the classic pork filling, chop one bunch of green onions, chop 5 shiitake mushrooms, also chop 1 shiitake mushroom for the shrimp and chive filling. Chop about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of garlic chives for the shrimp and chive filling. Chop about 7 shrimp into large chunks and then use the rest of the 2 pounds of shrimp to mince into a finer cut, almost paste. Mix it. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mince 2 pounds of pork butt for the classic pork filling. Add 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and mix together. And there we have our 2 fillings, shrimp and chive and a classic pork. Let's wrap. We're using thick wonton wrappers today. With a serving spoon, scoop about 1.5 tablespoon of filling into the center of the wrapper. Use water to wet the edges and then fold the wrapper in half to create a triangle or half circle depending on the wrapper you're using. There are many ways to fold wonton, and today's fold is super simple. We're going to scrunchie up the top. Feel free to fold your wonton however you like it. It really is up to your personal preference. Repeat this process for the remaining filling. 64 is a lot of wonton, so you're going to get folding. To cook, bring a pot of water to a boil, then add them to the pot. Once they start to float for about 2 to 3 minutes, remove them from the water and enjoy. And there we have a delicious, flavor-packed wonton done 2 different ways. My all-time favorite by far is the shrimp and chive filling. The garlic chives just add such an amazing flavor with the crunch from the shrimp. It's fantastic. These can of course be served with wonton egg noodles and made into a full noodle dish. But honestly, they taste good even if just served alone. You absolutely need to try these. Plus they freeze very well. I put mine into a container and they make for a minute meal during the busy days where I don't have time to make dinner. If this recipe is making your mouth water, then be sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite wonton filling is, and we'll see you next time.